For homeowners planning patio door installation, Lexington SC, choosing the right style can transform daily living, curb appeal, and backyard access. Sliding patio doors Lexington remain a top option for space-saving function, while French patio doors Lexington add classic character and hinged patio doors Lexington create a more traditional entry. In Lexington SC, many families compare custom patio doors Lexington, modern patio doors Lexington, and residential patio doors Lexington to match architectural style, natural light goals, and patio usage. From Patio Doors Lexington SC to Patio Entry Doors Lexington, local demand continues to grow for stylish, durable solutions. Energy savings matter in every season, and energy-efficient patio doors Lexington are a smart upgrade for comfort and lower utility bills. Double pane patio doors Lexington, insulated patio doors Lexington, and glass patio doors Lexington with upgraded coatings help reduce heat transfer in Lexington, South Carolina homes. Many property owners in Red Bank and Irmo specifically search for energy-efficient patio doors Red Bank Lexington SC and insulated patio doors Irmo Lexington SC to improve interior comfort during hot summers and cooler winter nights. These home patio door upgrades Lexington also help control glare, improve efficiency, and support long-term value. Customization gives homeowners more flexibility, and custom patio doors Lexington are ideal when standard sizes or styles do not fit the home. From custom patio doors near Lake Murray Lexington SC to custom sliding patio doors Lexington, South Carolina, tailored solutions can match lakefront homes, suburban builds, and updated residences across Lexington County. Homeowners often select vinyl patio doors Lexington for low maintenance, aluminum patio doors Lexington for sleep durability, or secure patio doors Lexington for enhanced protection. Whether the goal is modern patio doors Seven Oaks Lexington SC or hinged patio doors Ballantini Lexington SC, custom work creates a more exact fit. Replacement services are often the best answer when older doors become drafty, damaged, or hard to operate. Patio door replacement Lexington SC can address worn tracks, broken seals, outdated frames, and poor energy performance in homes throughout Lexington SC. Many residents look for French patio door replacement Lexington SC, replacement patio doors for homes Lexington SC, and patio door replacement and replacement Lexington County SC when renovating older properties. Affordable patio doors Lexington SC are available in many configurations, helping homeowners improve appearance and performance without overspending on a complete exterior remodel. Sliding systems remain one of the most requested options because sliding glass door installation Lexington SC provides easy operation and wide outdoor views. Sliding patio doors Lexington work especially well in smaller spaces where door swing clearance is limited, and secure sliding patio doors Lexington SC can include advanced locking systems and reinforced glass. In neighborhoods from Oak Grove to downtown Lexington, buyers often request vinyl sliding patio doors Oak Grove Lexington SC for low upkeep and reliable performance. Backyard patio doors Lexington are especially popular for decks, screened porches, and entertaining areas with direct yard access. Material selection plays a major role in appearance, maintenance, and price, and homeowners in Lexington SC have several strong choices. Vinyl patio doors Lexington are known for affordability, insulation, and low maintenance, making them a favorite for affordable patio doors West Columbia Lexington SC and nearby neighborhoods. Aluminum patio doors Lexington offer slimmer sightlines and a sleek modern look, while glass patio doors Lexington maximize daylight and exterior views. For residential patio doors Lexington, comparing frame material, glass package, hardware finish, and security features helps homeowners identify the best patio door services Lexington, South Carolina for their property. Local service matters when quality installation affects long-term results, and experienced patio door contractors Lexington help prevent leaks, drafts, and alignment issues. Residential patio doors Lexington contractors often handle everything from measurements and product selection to full installation and cleanup. A trusted patio door company, Lexington SC, can also provide Patio Doors Lexington estimates, design recommendations, and guidance on code compliance for replacement or new construction openings. Whether searching for a patio door company near downtown Lexington SC or patio door installation near me Lexington SC, homeowners benefit from choosing proven local specialists.